Hi, this is Dorothy with Scrapbooking, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and ring the bell so you know when my next video is available. So today I'm showing you another way of organizing your thin cuts. And I have just gotten a pretty good selection of thin cuts over the last several years. And I have been organizing them in 6x8 notebooks. And I've gotten quite a few notebooks, and they've gotten very heavy. And so I decided, I ended up having all these notebooks out on my table looking for things. And so I decided to find a better way of putting them all in one place. And so I got this box at the Container Store. I like it. It's a perfect size for like 6x6 thin cut sets or stamp sets. It has a handle on either end. It's nice, clear, sturdy plastic, and I marked the front of it with all the different things that are in that box. It's 6 inches wide. 8 inches wide by 6 inches deep and 14 inches long. Now, if you found a box that was like 12 inches long, that would probably be really good. But it depends on how much you have. So I have a lot, and I know I'll be getting more. And so I went ahead and got this size. And it works out just fine. So it's a little heavy, but that's okay. I've got my individual thin cuts all together now, except for one, which I'll talk about later. So the way I've done this is I got these dividers, and they are dividers from Stamp and Storage. And they're plasticized, so they're pretty sturdy. So there's the divider, and it has a nice long tab up at the top. So I can make my divider labels in large lettering. And it fits perfectly inside of this box. It's just like perfect. It was just made for it. So I'm real happy with these. And I went ahead and labeled them with my Brother P-Touch using a large font. So makes it super easy to read what section I'm in. So along with these, you can see me in the reflection. Oh no. Along with the dividers, I got these really nice pockets from Stamp and Storage. And these are like 6x8 size pockets. They're a nice sturdy plastic, and they have graduated tabs up at the top. And look at that nice little pocket. And so it perfectly fits most of my thin cut magnetic sheets. And I made my lettering small on the Brother P-Touch to label those tabs up at the top because they're smaller. So, but I've got my dividers and my pockets in the box, so I know exactly where they are to make another one when I buy more, which I will buy more. Nature of the beast. So pretty much I kept most of my thin cuts in their original cellophane envelope that has the name on it. And which is good in case I ever sell these individually, then it's kind of nice to have them in the individual cellophane wrapper. And there's my smaller label for the tab on the pocket. So there we go, Sunburst. So it ends up looking, it looks nice and organized, and I can quickly find just where everything is. I don't have to put things in alphabetical order. I don't have to get, that persnickety about where, exactly where things are. I can go through these really quickly, and pretty much because of the names of the different items that Close to My Heart gives everything, it's really easy to remember what's what. So these are my spinner card fronts, and there's my Valentine gumball card front, super cute. But it's a card front, so this is where I put it. So the next thing are all shapes of shaker windows. Now, I like shaker windows. If you've watched me at all, you've seen me make shaker windows. And I have my round one and heart and star and rectangle, stitched rectangle, and round and hexagon and squares. So I do like making the shaker windows. So the next shape are the basic shapes. So hearts and circles and ovals. And then I've got my fancy shapes. So that's my doily. And then behind that, I've got a scalloped circle and my craft tools. Super cute craft tools. And a pinwheel and a bow. And then those are quilt shapes. So I put those all in fancy shapes. And then I've got borders. After that, I've got the borders. So all the different borders. And then the next are nature shapes. So those are going to be all of my snowflakes. Now I put these two snowflakes in together because they're snowflakes. And I've got flowers in here and leaves. Now what I've done here is, that's not two different shapes. It's one stitched flower shape, and it was so long that I kind of put the leaves and stuff together and then cut off a piece so that it would fit inside the pocket and be very neat and not hang way over. Same thing with my layered butterfly. It's a super long one. It's and then another third is on top of that, so it's like that long. So it would have been hanging out, and I just did not want that to look sloppy like that. So I've got my leaves, and then I've got some more flowers that I think I cut that one apart too, is what I was saying there. And then I've got my brackets and frames. And so I've got all different shapes of brackets, different types of brackets, and then the picture frame or whatever you want to use that for. And then after the brackets, I've got words. So this one just says words on it. And these are words that can be used as a card front, or they can be used as a title for a scrapbook page. So they're pretty sizable words. And then I've got my alphabets for making titles for scrapbook pages. So the very last thing, I put all of my shaker windows and foam pieces, because I figured, let's go ahead and keep all the shaker bits together. And so I just decided to put those behind there. And then I've got extra tabs and extra pockets in the very, very back so that I know where to find my tabs and pockets when I need to make some more windows or tabs and pockets. So anyway, this is, we always have to attempt to be more organized on the new year, right? So I think this is going to work a little bit better for me than all the different albums. So I can put this on a shelf, and there'll be a little bit of an overhang because my shelves are 12 inches and this is 14. So it'll be a little bit of an overhang, but not too bad. And it'll be easy to find and easy to locate the particular thin cut that I need. So I'm pretty happy with this so far. So we'll see how it works for me as the year goes by. And any bigger, this would be getting too heavy. It's pretty weighty as it is. So anyway, I'm kind of happy with the way this looks. I love the color of the dividers too. I love that aqua color. So thank you so much for watching, and I wish all of you a happy and healthy new year. And I just wanted to start off 2022 just a little bit more organized than I was in 2021. So we'll see how this goes. It's a never-ending story. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. And if you want to shop with me, you shop at dorothy.closetomyheart.com. And thank you so much for watching. Bye now. Hi, I'm Dorothy Smith. Thanks for watching my video. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel and learn along with me. Thanks. Bye-bye.